deep into the forests of Gulmarg. This place is called Ranmarg, further ahead of Drung Waterfall. Once you are at Tangmarg, you have to take a left turn towards Drung Waterfall, and further ahead you keep on driving and you will come to this dense forest where the shepherds take their cattle for grazing. You can see their sound, and it's quite silent here. Beautiful being with the sheep who are grazing here during the summertime. The place Ranmarg means the meadow of colors. It's believed that earlier beautiful flowers were coming out here in this place, so that's why Ranmarg, the flowers of different colors. But maybe due to the pollution and climatic changes, I couldn't see those flowers. But yes, it's definitely a beautiful place, very silent place to spend some time here in the wilderness.